Okay, so you've received an email confirming your place at LJMU. Congratulations. So, what do you do next? Let's walk you through the steps. As a new student, you'll need to activate your LJMU computer account before completing the online registration form. We recommend using a desktop or laptop for this, as it's easier to complete the registration forms on a larger screen. To do this, you'll need your student ID number. You'll find this on your registration email. Go to My LJMU and click on the My Account tile. Select Activate My Account and follow the instructions to set up your LJMU username and password. Make sure to note down your LJMU username and email address, as you'll need this to complete your registration. Once you have activated your LJMU computer account, return to My LJMU and click on the My Course tile to complete your online registration. Do this by clicking on My Registration, then Begin Registration. If you have any issues with your online registration, get in touch for assistance at studentregistration@ljmu.ac.uk. To complete your registration, you'll need to upload proof of your identity, such as a passport or driving licence. You can complete your ID upload using My Services. We'll also need a photograph for your LJMU student ID card. To upload your photo, visit My LJMU, My Account and click on My Photo. If you have any issues with your identity documents, you can contact us for assistance at studentregistration@ljmu.ac.uk. Once this is all completed, we'll create your LJMU student ID card. If you're a new student at LJMU, we'll let you know where and how to collect your LJMU student ID card. If you are an international student, there are a few additional steps to complete your registration. Check out the International Student Registration video to find out more. That's it. Remember, you can get in touch with us at any time for assistance.